Okay, everyone. So we're done with primary, secondary, and sub-secondary. Now let's proceed to major classification. No? So ang major classification, the fingers involved here are the left thumb and the right thumb. And our basis for this type of classification is always the left thumb. No? So lantawon, gid naton always, no? Permi ang aton nga left thumb first when we are classifying or when we are doing the major classification in fingerprint. So now, note that left thumb will always use table number 1. No? Kag-ara, ginhatag ko man sa inyo tanan if diin ang table 1, kag kung ano ang mga values sina, and then ang table 2. Okay? So, this 1 to 11, we're referring it to the ridge count, no? RC. Sorry, I failed to or forgot to butang the ridge count, no? Ridge count, ridge count, ridge count. Let us always remember that left thumb will always use table 1 and table number 2 is only intended for the right thumb based on what we see in the left thumb, no? So that is why I put here that our basis always is the left thumb. Now, if the ridge count, no, syempre, if we're talking about ridge count, we're only talking about loops, no? But then again, in major classification, no, we are also dealing with whirl patterns. But now, let's just make it simple as of the moment, no? So, if the reach count of the left thumb is 16 or less, no? So, meaning to say, 16 or less, no? Dala ang 16 na, 16 below, no? Use table 1 for the right thumb, this one. No? So, gamito naton. So, meaning to say, both left and right thumb, we will be using table number 1, no? If the ridge count of the left thumb is 1 to 16, use table 1 for both left thumb and right thumb. Now, if the ridge count of the left thumb is 17 or more, use table 2 for the right thumb, no? So, ari naman siya, table 2. So, kung nakita nyo, nagabase kita sa ridge counting sang left thumb. If we will going to use table 1 or table 2 for the right thumb. Because table 2 is only intended for right thumb lang gid. Okay? Para lang gid ni siya sa right thumb. As is gini siya sa left thumb. No? I hope I made myself clear, no, sa aton nga leksyon about this. So, if the ridge count of the left thumb is 17 or more, so meaning mas mataas, no, sa 17, mas mataas sa 16, of course. Kaya ang 16 by aride, no? So, we use the table 2. Pero, if the ridge count of the left thumb is 17 or more, use table 1 for the left thumb, table 2 for the right thumb. Okay? So, it is always based on the ridge count that we can see in the left thumb, no? So now, if the left thumb is whirl, no, diba? If ganito, no? If this one, wait, I'll just have to draw, no? This is right hand, left hand, no? Example, dalawa yan, loop, okay? So, if both thumbs, no, or if the left thumb is whirl, let's say X, no, use table 1 for the right thumb, no. So, ang instruction perme is para sa right thumb. If we were going to use table 2 or not, no. So, kung makita naton whirl dere, no, ang gamito naton para sa right thumb is ang table number 2. Pero, if ang makita naton, no, sa right thumb naton are all whirls, mabase kita sa ridge count. So, if it's 13, ini naman niya 16, no? So, kung 16 ang aton nga ridge count, diri sa aton nga left hand, no? Ano nga rule ang gamiton naton? If the ridge count of the left thumb is 1 to 16, then ano ang gamiton naton sa aton nga right thumb? No? So, we will use table 1. Kaya nakabutang diri 1 to 16, use table 1 for both left thumb and right thumb. However, if this one is a whirl, then automatically ang gamiton naton sa aton nga right thumb is table 1. So if both thumb has whirl pattern, classify them as a inner, outer, or meeting. Let's say for example, this one ridge count is 13, no? So diri naman nga makita naton is 3 down, no? Ang balaton kung 3 down, 3 ridge trace below the delta, no? So kung below the delta, mabalik naman kita sa diri, no? Amo man ni siya gihapon, no? 3 or more ridge trace, no, above the delta, inner, 3 or more ridge trace below the delta, outer, 0 to 2, above or below the delta, meeting, meaning IMO gina siya, no? So, di ba, ang major naton is like this, no? Major, no? So, ang makita na naton yung mga letters is either S, M, L, small, medium, and large, and IMO if it's whirl. Now, let's answer this one. Oh, paano tani siya answeran? Since this is whirl, no? So basihan naton ang 3 down, no? 3 below the delta. So ano gani? 3 or more below the delta, it is outer. So ang right thumb naton, so this, since this is whirl, ang gamiton ta sa iya is table, ano gani? If the left thumb is whirl, use table 1 for the right thumb. So if it's 13, no, table 1, then ari siya. Nasulod siya sa medium. So, amo ning answer niya, no? So if this is our classification formula, no? So kung amo ning classification formula naton, no, kung amo ning classification formula naton, di ba? Key, major, primary, secondary, subsecondary, and final, no? KM, PS, SS, F. Okay, so if amo na siya, sa aton nga major, ang answer naton is, ano ganito kagina, MO, no? So, dapat nakalinya gina siya, no? MO. Ang mga nag-o na gani, kay di ba whirl ni siya? No, so kung whirl siya, anong ganito naton? Always maano kita IMO, no, for whirl pattern. Same na siya gihapon diri sa aton nga sub-secondary. Okay? So, now again, no, answeran ta naman ini. So, ang hambal diri kung loops lang tawon lang naton ng ridge count, no? So, lang tawon naton ridge count first ang aton nga ridge count sang aton nga left hand, no? So, supposing this is the thumb, ha? Right and left, no? Answeran na naton. This one naman niya, 16. So, balik ta sa rule. So, if the ridge count is 1 to 16, then we use table 1 for both left thumb and right thumb, no? So, kung 16 siya, na-belong siya sa diri nga rule. So, meaning to say, we use table 1. Now, 12 to 16, ano siya? Medium. Now, table 1 iniman ang right hand. 13 is also medium. Okay? So, amo na siya kasimple ang aton nga major classification. However, if ang makita naman naton is arch and then whirl, no? Let's say, amo ni aton nga right hand, left hand, no? Nga mga thumb. So, paano naman na natin i-classify? So, of course, no, if this one is, butanta, 4 up, no? Kung 4 up naman siya, katuta, since this one is a whirl, or 3 or more above the delta, it's inner, no? Inner siya. Letter, Inertia. And this one is arch. So, meaning to say, if hindi siya whirl or if hindi siya loop, then it is always represented by a dash. Another example, no? So, kung thumb ni siya, this one is 17, this one is x 2 down, no? So, paano ni siya? No, this one is right hand, this is left hand, no? Ng mga thumb. So, kung 17 siya gani, no? Ano siyang rule, no? If the ridge count of the left thumb is 17 or more, use table 1 for the left thumb, no? Table 1 for the left thumb, di 17 to, no? So, kung 17 or more, then it is considered as large. Okay? And then next, this one is whirl. So, palantaw tadi, hindi. Nga kay para lang niya sa loop pattern. Now, mabalik kita diri sa whirl, which is IMO. Pila ang iya nga ridge trace? 2 below the delta. So, 0 to 2, ridge trace below the delta, above or below the delta, it's meeting. So, letter M. So, that's it for our major classification. I hope everyone understands it. Thank you.